Good day, everybody, and welcome to the IPBES Data Management Tutorials. Today, we will be covering the question of roles and responsibilities concerning the data management policy within IPBES. This session is a chapter which is titled IPBES Data Management Policy. My name is Rainer Krug, and I'm a member of the IPBES Task Force on Knowledge and Data, and I'm working at the University of Zurich. The easiest way to look at the roles and responsibilities is to look at the different players which are in IPBES. It's kind of a layered system where you have on top your experts, then you have your assessment technical support units, the ones you're communicating with the most. Then you have the knowledge and data technical support units. These are the ones you're communicating with when your assessment technical support unit can't help you anymore or needs further information. Then you have the task force on knowledge and data. These are the experts on knowledge and data. Then you have the secretariat. And last but not least, you have the bureau and multidisciplinary expert panel. In addition to these 6 different layers, you have 2 different types of responsibilities. On the one hand, you have the responsibilities which concern the experts. And on the other side, you have responsibilities of things which are happening behind the scene concerning maintenance, for example, of the data management policy and accompanying material. The players which have responsibilities which are dealing especially with you are the experts, obviously, then the assessment technical support units and the knowledge and data technical support units. The ones who are playing roles in the background are the MAP and Bureau, the multidisciplinary expert panel, the secretariat, the task force knowledge and data technical support unit, and the assessment technical support unit. You see many of them playing roles in the front and behind the scenes. Let's start with the responsibilities which concern you the most, which are the experts. First, the experts will prepare and keep up-to-date data management reports for the IPBES-related research. These reports should be available at the latest for the first milestone, which is the first order draft, and be updated for each following milestone. So the data management reports don't have to be complete at the first milestone, but they should be present. The data management reports were introduced in the data management policy in version 1.1. Before that, in version 1, we were talking about data management plans, which proved not to be useful in the context of IPBES assessments and how IPBES is working. So it was decided to move to data management report. There's a whole chapter in these series of webinars, which is dealing particularly with data management reports. The second responsibility of the experts is for fulfilling the requirements as outlined in the data management reports. So if you're writing in the data management report that you're doing certain things with your data, you have to do them. Otherwise, the data management report needs to be changed accordingly. Last but not least, it's the responsibility for reporting issues on the implementation of the data management reports to the associated technical support unit. So if you have problems, contact your associated technical support unit. These technical support units now have the responsibility to collect the data management reports from the experts. They will provide assistance that these data management reports follow the data management policy. They will provide DOI for each data deposit package. So what is a data deposit package? A data deposit package consists of the data management report as well as the accompanying data and will be submitted to a repository, for example, and in most cases for IPBES, Zenodo, and will get a DOI. The fourth responsibility is to make sure that the experts fulfill their responsibilities as outlined in the policy concerning data management reports. And they will also collect the metadata of the IPBES products from the experts. The next level is the Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit. They will review the data management reports from the corresponding assessment technical support units so that they follow the data management policy. You are writing the data management reports, they are collected by your technical support unit, and they are handing it on to the Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit, which will finally approve them. The second one is that they will provide assistance in making sure that the data management reports adhere to this policy. Usually, your technical support unit will be able to answer most of the questions. But if points cannot be resolved, questions cannot be resolved, they will be handed through to the Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit. This covers the side of the responsibilities that concern directly you. The next ones are nice to know information pieces for you, which help you to understand how the data management policy is maintained, the material is maintained, and what happens behind the scene to make it work. For this, we start at the bottom with a Bureau and Multidisciplinary Expert Panel. They will review any changes to the policy as proposed by the Task Force on Knowledge and Data and consider these for approval. They are approving the data management policy. And this data management policy has been written by the Knowledge and Data Task Force. The next level is the Secretariat, which will execute under the guidance of the Task Force on Knowledge and Data and in cooperation with the Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit, the development and maintenance of the guidelines. They will keep an accurate, up-to-date and accessible list of references and links to external data, knowledge and generated data from IPBES products, and they will add specific and consistent keyword to the data deposit packages. This is very important because if you're interested in all data deposits concerning an assessment or a chapter in an assessment, then you can use that keyword to easily identify all of these data deposit packages. The next level is a Task Force on Knowledge and Data. They will provide guidelines and examples for data management, guide the development and maintenance of that, as well as data management reports, and advise the Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit in questions regarding data management and data management reports, as outlined in the section on provision on data management reporting. They are the ones who review the policy every 2 years, and they will review the guidelines and tutorials and accompanying material each year to make sure that it is up to date and to identify gaps and to implement new developments. They are the ones who are working on the policy itself, who are writing the policy. The Knowledge and Data Technical Support Unit will provide support advice and participate in efforts from the Task Force on Knowledge and Data to develop guidelines and examples for data management and data management reports. They will make sure that the assessment technical support units fulfill their responsibilities and will execute under the guidance of the Task Force on Knowledge and Data and in cooperation with the Secretariat, the development and maintenance of the guidelines, tutorials, workflows, and examples. The last one on this side of behind the scenes activities is the assessment technical support units. There's only one point that they will develop and maintain these guidelines, tutorials, workflows, and examples. This is a very important task because they are sitting at the interface to the experts. They have direct contact with the experts and they know in which areas examples are missing, guidelines are missing, tutorials are missing. So that is a very important aspect of their work. And if you don't report to them your problems, they cannot forward these problems that they can be addressed in further tutorials. To wrap it up, I hope that I've clarified the roles and responsibilities of these 6 different layers in IPBES to implement the data management policy and to maintain it over time in the long run. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this session on roles and responsibilities. Thank you. Feel free to contact us at tsu.data@ipbes.net if you have any further questions on this or on other different sessions. Finally, I would like to thank the other contributors to this session, ID Niemir and Joy Kumagai, who helped to prepare the content as well as the editors of the different chapters and the whole tutorial series. Thank you and good day.